Hi, in this video I show you how to view learners' orders in the gift shop, how to find the orders you need, and how to work with their status. To view all orders in the Academy, go to the gift shop section and select Orders tab. Here you'll find all orders regardless of which item the learners choose. Orders are grouped by status: all, pending, in progress, done, and cancelled. Above the table, there is a counter showing the number of orders and a search field. Filtering by the learner's team and other parameters are also available. To see full information about the specific order, click the View button in the correspondent row. A side panel with all details will open on the right. Here you'll find the order number, the date and the time it was created, and the content and delivery block, the learner's content details, and delivery information, both system and custom fields. Any field can be quickly copied using the button next to the value. The same panel also has a drop-down that lets you manually change the order status. You can change it not only sequentially forward, you can also move the order back to the previous stage or jump ahead through several stages at once. Need to cancel an order, select the cancelled status at any stage. A window will open where you need to choose a cancellation reason from the list or select Other. Enter your own reason manually. Once the cancellation is confirmed, the points the learner spent are automatically returned to their balance, and the item's stock quantity is restored. Please note, a cancelled order can no longer be edited or moved back into progress. And one more useful detail, the Logs tab in the side panel. Here every action taken on the order is recorded, which action was performed, which admin performed it, and exactly when it happened. This is useful if several admins have worked on the order. An individual learner's history is also available on their profile. Here you can see their active orders and their full history. Hope it helps and good luck with your Academy!